Did your Saudi visa expire? Good news, you can now exit Saudi Arabia without paying any fine. But wait, can you also extend your visa? Let's understand everything step by step. You are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll explain the latest Saudi visa update 2026 in very simple English. This update is for those whose visa expired on or before 25 February 2026, including visit visa, Umrah visa, transit visa, and final exit visa, and who could not leave Saudi Arabia due to current conditions. What should you do now? You don't need any agent or complicated process. Just go directly to the airport or exit point. Your exit process will be done easily. So, do you need to pay any fine? No, there is zero fee. You can leave Saudi Arabia completely free. No penalty, no extra charges, just pay your ticket charges. Now, what is the last date? You must exit before 18th April 2026. After this date, normal rules and fines may apply. So don't delay. Now the question comes, can you extend your visa? Yes, but not for everyone. If your sponsor wants, they can apply through Absher. Go to My Services, then Passports, then select Tawasul. Submit a request with your details. Extension is not guaranteed. It depends on approval. Important advice: if you don't really need to stay, it's safer to exit for free before the deadline. If you really need extension, try through Absher, but don't wait till the last day. I hope this video helped you. Share this video with anyone whose visa has expired. It can really help them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Allah Hafiz.